Hello children, now today we are going to start with chapter 9 of class 5 general science, and today we are going to start with the topic energy. So all of you must be familiar with this word now. Children, all of we have food. Why we eat food? To gain energy so that we can perform different activities. So in a simple sentence we can say that energy is our capacity to work, whether we are sleeping, playing, writing, singing, dancing. To perform any kind of activities we need energy. Okay, and from where we are getting the energy? We are getting the energy from the food. And what will be the definition of energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. Okay, so in your diet you are taking different fruits, vegetables, different drink, milks. So all these food items gives you more or less amount of energy. Okay, different food products give you different amount of energy. Now we are going to deal with the different forms of energy. So let's get started children. So heat energy. Okay, so heat is also a form of energy. For example, when the candle is burning, when you place your hands there, what you are going to feel? You will be able to feel the warmth near the candle portion, lighted portion. Okay, for cooking our food, we need the heat energy. Okay, the burning of fuels of kerosene, petrol, coal, all this generate heat energy. Now the second is light energy. Sun is the ultimate source of light. Okay, all the different life, whether it's a life of human beings, plants, or different animals, microorganisms, everyone life is dependent on the light. So light is the sun is the source of light, and light provide us the things. Okay, we are able to see around us because of the presence of light. Okay, tube light, bulb, candles, these are the different sources of light. Now the mechanical energy. So the energy of an object due to its position or movement is termed as the mechanical energy. Okay, for example, this bench, okay, it is fixed, its position is fixed. That means it is also having a mechanical energy. The car, the vehicles, trucks, whatever is moving on the road, they are also having the mechanical energy. So actually children, mechanical energy is of two types: potential energy and kinetic energy. So energy of the object due to its position, okay, due to its fixed position is termed as the potential energy. Okay, for example, a mountain standing its own place, it will also have a potential energy. It has fixed position and it will also have a potential energy. Because of its fixed position, it will have the potential energy. For example, the football is running on the ground, it will also have an energy. What kind of energy? It will have the kinetic energy. Now kinetic energy, it is imbibed in the moving object when the ball is moving on the ground. Okay, when water is falling from a fountain. Okay, so when there any object is in motion, then that very object will have the kinetic energy. When any object is at a fixed position, for example, this copy is fixed on this disk, it will have the what? Potential energy. Okay, and when this copy is moving, it will have a kinetic energy. Now electrical energy, all of you know there are different electrical appliances we are using. Okay, fans, televisions, tube lights, generators, all these are providing us electrical energy. And this electrical energy is mostly produced from the coal. Okay, now this electrical energy is converted into different forms of energy. Okay, now the sound energy, all of you know I am speaking. So which form of energy is being generated? Sound energy is being generated. Okay. Okay, when I am just tapping the pen on the book, which kind of energy is being generated? Sound energy is generated. When we are using different musical instruments or any music system or radios, what kind of energy is being generated? Noise, sound energy is being generated. And now conservation of energy, we should try to conserve energy. Okay, for example, electrical energy, when we are using it, we should pay attention that we should not waste it, so that it can be used by from one generation to the another generation. Okay, so we should try to conserve the energy, we should not waste it. Okay, instead of using room heaters all the time in the winter season, we can sit in the sun na. Don't leave the lights of your balcony, verandas, switch on for the whole night. Okay, wherever area you are sitting, whichever portion of your house you are using, you can switch on the light of that very portion also. Don't leave switch on the geyser and leave it for the whole day. Whether you are watching a TV or not, don't leave it opened. Okay, if you are not watching television, turn the switch off. Okay, when at the signals, when there is a halt, stop the engine of cars and bikes. Okay, why to waste the energy? When there is weather is nice, why to use ACs? Don't use it, turn it off. And we should try to use the alternate sources of energy: sun energy, wind energy, water energy, biogas energy. For example, we can take the solar lamps, solar heaters, solar cookers. In this way we can save the energy. Okay children, thank you. In the next class we will be dealing with rest of the